This Arduino powered electricity meter has just taken the next step towards power quality. Let's get into it. Alright, sweet. So once it's booted up, you can go info, you can bring up system frequency, you can bring up each phase and the total. So you can go 67, 67, 74 volts, different current levels on each one, different watts on each one, different VARs, apparent power, power factor, phase angle, the voltage, the degrees between each phase, line to line volts, the phase separation in degrees, so the degrees difference between each phase, the phase impedance, the phase admittance, the load reactance characteristics, the phase sequence. Let's get into the harmonics. Bang. So this reads the harmonics to the 30-second harmonic on the volts. So you can see the THD down the bottom for each phase. Let's do that again. There you go, that's the harmonics of the current. I can bring up a help. So it gives you your different statuses, your different things. I can CSV. So this is going to be useful when I create a software package for the computer. There you go, all the way across, so you can dump. Alright, so this on the left here, this ATM90E36. Now this, if you want to build one yourself, you need the Arduino, either a Mega or an Uno or ESP8266, ESP32, any of them, and you need one of these bad boys, the dev kit. So inside, I modified mine a bit and got the board made a bit different, but at the heart is basically this chip, and this chip is what does all the magic. So all I'm doing really is reading the registers off this chip. So yeah. So if you want to get one, I'll leave in the description the link up here. I'll give you this link for this. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Yep. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, come back for more. I've got to still do a couple more things that I want to get out of this thing. I need to build a calibration menu so I can calibrate it off a known source, so it makes it a bit easier than manually calibrating it. I'd rather in code. Yeah, come back on the next one and hopefully have a bit more to show you.